Welcome to our channel. Peak season travel requires extra vigilance to stay safe in crowded conditions. Step 1. Research areas with high pickpocketing rates and stay alert in those locations. Step 2. Use anti-theft bags with hidden pockets and slash-proof materials. Step 3. Keep valuables distributed between different pockets and bags. Step 4. Stay aware of your surroundings and avoid distractions in busy areas. Step 5. Book accommodations in safe neighborhoods after reading recent reviews. Step 6. Use licensed transportation services and avoid unmarked vehicles. Step 7. Make copies of important documents and store them separately from originals. Step 8. Register with your embassy if traveling to potentially unstable regions. Step 9. Avoid displaying expensive jewelry, electronics, or large amounts of cash. Step 10. Trust your instincts and remove yourself from situations that feel uncomfortable. Step 11. Share your itinerary with someone at home and check in regularly. Step 12. Research local emergency numbers and keep them easily accessible. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.